Installing a GPU board assembly. Align the GPU board assembly with the two guide pins in the tray, and then gently lower the GPU board assembly into the node. Fasten two T15 screws on the GPU board assembly. Fasten the 7 M3 screws on the GPU board assembly. Push the carrier board towards the GPU board to connect it to the GPU board. Insert the GPU board retention clips into the slots on the carrier board. Push the GPU board handle toward the GPU board and press it down to lock the carrier board in place. Install the two standoffs to the carrier board. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.